Hi, good morning everyone. Good morning Dubai. So it is my immense pleasure to welcome everyone to our 4th Digital Marketing, Advertising and Technology Conference happening for 2 days, today and tomorrow, presented by DIGITALCONFEX.
And that's when we made the shift to Ascending Group and looked at some of our clientele and realized, wow, we have a lot of CEOs and executives. No one's talking about CEO branding. Let's have that be our focus. And so that's where we've been the last 15 years.
Last year I was here, the way it has been upgraded to this conference, I think, wow, Mitali has done a huge job here.
I think it's a brilliant Confex. Thank you for having all of us. You were able to gather the right professionals on the right stage.
You all have done a great job in bringing together experts from around the country, around the world, to talk about critical issues facing marketing, public relations, digital strategy. This is a one-stop shop for that kind of expert.
Every session is awesome and it will always give the value in our life, so I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
I would say dynamic, fun, and future looking.
Well, the keynote session I'm going to give is these are marketing people. They design workforce strategies, how to sell the brand, the product, or whatever it is, but what is the underpinnings of the workforce?